Thinking about permanently saying goodbye to Onlyfans, especially with money still sitting in your wallet? Don't worry, I'm here to walk you through the entire process step by step, ensuring you get your funds and smoothly delete your account. First, log into your Onlyfans account on your computer or mobile browser. Next, click on your profile icon, usually located in the lower left corner on mobile or on the left-hand side on your computer screen. This will bring up your profile menu. From the menu, select Settings. This is where you'll find all the account management options. In the Settings, click on the Account tab. Here, you'll see options to manage your profile details, security, and of course, the option to delete your account. Scroll down to the very bottom of the account page. You'll find a Delete Account button. Click on it. Now, pay close attention. If you have a balance in your wallet, Onlyfans will prompt you to withdraw your funds before you can proceed. Typically, they'll require you to add or verify a payment method for withdrawal. Follow the instructions to set up your bank account or preferred payment method. Initiate the withdrawal process, making sure you meet the minimum withdrawal amount. Once your funds have been successfully transferred to your account, return to the account settings page. Click the Delete Account button. Again, you'll likely be asked to confirm your decision with a checkbox and a final confirmation button. Click the checkbox and then hit the Delete Account button. Keep in mind that deleting your account is permanent and all your data will be erased. Double check that you're sure before proceeding, and that's it. You've successfully deleted your Onlyfans account with the money from your wallet.